seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm running late. Have to run some errands today. I'm preparing for my getaway, so yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I just need to do a few things today, and let's see where today takes us. Quick updates: I got braids done from the last time you saw me, and I really like them. They're called what? Goddess braids or whatever. So yeah, let's get into it. Today is just about me shooting content for my getaway, which is today is what, the 18th, right? I'm gonna leave tomorrow and I'll be back. So stay tuned and love you lots. Bye.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is right. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in the right on board. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life on. But thank God for the journey that's the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all from our right hand. What's a toast to the and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shut down, saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. Yeah, falling on this man. Me up with that back for the journey, the burning, so that's the plus.
Weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist.
Hi guys. Guys, it's the other side. It's the other side. Oh, the lights.
I'm looking at this. I'm not giving you because I know you.
Hey guys.
Hello. Hey, checking in at the cabana.
Oh, in the right on board. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life on. But thank God for the journey, that's the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all from our right hand. What's a toast to the a fire thing. Jump on stage with credits and you sing, yeah. Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. Need the bottom, pass through your son. Yeah, money, not this money. Me have to come back for the dirty, the burning, the dust, the plus. I got to do it, the must. Yeah, missing blessings to all my them. But the ghost in the front, get the clock, me road, what time. No, enough, that's so important, but it's in the
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 1. I'm exhausted. We checked in, it was so beautiful, and I gave you guys room tour. So right now I think I'm just gonna shower and then go to bed because it's been a really long day. I've made some reservations, bookings for my brother's birthday tomorrow. So it's my brother's birthday and my mom and my nephew and my cousin, but she's not here, and yeah, and my late uncle. So we are at SUNCITY and we're doing like something energy for my brother for his 21st. So I'm definitely gonna post that content. But so far the place is absolutely beautiful, like stunning views. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a shower now and then get to bed. I'm exhausted. My bedroom is a mess, like it's messy. I'm trying to pick what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Going to Valley of Waves first and then dinner later on. So yeah guys, Amans. Who's Amans? Oopsies. Good morning guys. So today is day 2. It is absolutely hot, but yeah, I had a good night and this is my views. I'm just gonna turn this around. Oh, and the sun is giving like so this is my outfit for today. Hey guys, how are you? So where are you guys and what are you doing?
We are at SUNCITY banners.
And what is today?
It's our birthday.
I can't even see y'all.
It's our birthday.
Drip drip. Yeah.
She came at some point.
You go out for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. That the baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when they kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings they swing like Django Lover. Feelings they swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. and it's true. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of our life. My yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you. Done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job, but they do my do, then no go catch up.
It is really so hot.
Yeah, I know I get it, what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Diamonds of the essence. I try to teach you, and I need some lessons. I need to get me down. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the one. Just me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I made it mess of my mind. And I made it make it free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go by. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Let me be certain. No one loves you again. No one wants you the same way. Until the morning, my won't stop when you're loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need.
Hi guys, so I'm back from the beach and now I'm getting ready for dinner. Still prepping my face. See you guys soon when I'm done.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
We appreciate you, and we don't do much for your birthday because we all celebrate. But this one we felt it is the most important. Hence, we took this to make it even more special. Come out with you as we normally come out, most. That's our motto, going away on our special birthday. But this one was the most special. So you can open your present here.
Hello. What's good? What's good?
Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just, you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like it, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me a mouse. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, what's up, we do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. First time I take a picture with you. Now my cassette.
When I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before, I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine.
On the house.
Or should I talk about a smile?
Yeah.
Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Got the door, say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I tryna leave this. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step, one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. So you're tryna leave this. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. So you're tryna leave this. I said how I love you.
Good morning. Welcome to my channel, Tando Shabanga's channel. So today is my very last day and I'm so sad, but I've had such an amazing time here in SUNCITY. I hope you guys have enjoyed my vlog. I'll do just one last take you to breakfast with me, and today I'm going to go quad biking, hence my outfit. But yeah guys, it's such a beautiful place. I give it 10 out of 10. Service is amazing, the staff was friendly, the buffet was also really good, so I enjoyed my time here. And yeah, right now I'm just preparing to go for breakfast and then the quad bike and be checking out. I'm sad, I don't want to go. It's been such a long, beautiful week, but yeah, nonetheless, it's time to go home now, back to reality. So thank you so much for staying tuned. And so we've got an omelette and bacon and a sausage. I've got some greens, hash browns, and what is this, croissants, and some juice, cranberry juice. So ikaw niya na salad na kaya wow. It is extremely hot. But yeah, on this amazing bridge, and my views are immaculate, like guys, wow.
Residents.
Hey, super. Hi, mommy.
Hello.
Welcome.
We are here at the Cascades. Oh, this bridge, my goodness.
It's hectic.
Yeah.
Oh! Guys, are you rocking the bridge? Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, people, dance.
Back to the entrance. Okay, we're leaving.
Now I'm up at the
It is so hot. Woo!
You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest.
loving it, don't worry me. I am so obsessed. I want to touch of your body. I want to never carry she. Open up, make I see you. You're my love, one sexy. If you make a bad man sing,
But this head comes in my tongue. Now you my one you carry from my head. And you are one you carry to my bed. No, no, no. Don't tell me no, no, no. You could be my partner, never eyes, no, no, no. And we can do I'm low, you don't need to worry, oh. Tell her what you're doing, I am baby, carry go, carry go. Yeah, but you never carry shit. Open up, make I see you, now you with it, cause I'm fast. They do me, I keep parking, oh, no, no, no. My boy, come to me, I can make you on. Make you give me. I go show you loving, I can take you to my city. Only next time we can't do it. You want me dancing, you're only before you go see me. I ain't getting know your body bad. Anybody back can make you shit for gun. Yeah, I can't dance for me, baby, man. I'm not too sure, no, no, no. For your head, talk on the ones I don't care what they said, cause you're my dad. Now you my one you carry from my head, midnight. Now you are one you carry to my bed, oh, no, no. Don't tell me no, no, no. You could be my partner, never rise, oh, no, no. And we can do I'm low, you don't need to worry, oh. I feel like what you're doing, oh, yeah, baby, carry go, carry go. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see you. Now you with it, cause I'm fancy. They do me, I keep parking, oh, no, no, no.